So I've done several videos about fall essentials, basics you should have in your closet, just really backbone items that you need for a really cohesive closet. But in this video, I wanted to share some items that are more like part of that 20% of my closet that's just for fun. Maybe some trends, things that just speak to me for no other reason that I just really like them and I'm just really excited to wear. And that, of course, go back with all of those core pieces that I have in my closet. So that's this video, and I wanted to share with you items that I have not talked about before. I've got 10 items. It might be like 14 by the time this is over with, but they're just some really cool items that I found for this fall. I'll link them below if you're interested in any of them, and let's get started. So I've realized that this fall I have been very much into the style of a longer jacket, longer coat, like down to my thigh or something, and then belted. That is just a style that I keep gravitating towards. So one of the items that falls into this category is this black belted blazer. I had been looking for a black belted blazer and I finally found one. I love this one. And I actually like the belt that it came with. I don't have a problem with it, but I do like it also with my own belt. And I love it with like a pair of jeans. I think it looks really cute like that. And this also, if I worked in some kind of corporate environment, I would wear it with some black trousers or gray trousers or, something a little more fancy. Now this is very low cut, which you could just be very low cut like that, or you can just put something underneath it. I have these little cheapo tanks from Amazon that I use specifically for those kind of purposes. Now, speaking of this style, I knew this is what was going to happen in this video. It's going to be in like 39 items. But anyway, I have this belted trench coat from Goelia. It is so beautiful, and it's that same kind of look. It's a longer coat, but it's cinched at the waist because you tie it. I think it's so cute. And then I already mentioned this one in a video, which we'll have posted the future, but behind anyway, that you will have already seen, but it's a denim jacket like this from Kohl's. It's a great price and I love it. I just love it. It looks great as a denim on denim look or even just with a pair of pants. So I just really love this look. Comment below if you're also really into this kind of style. I just think it just makes me happy. Can't explain it why, but it just makes me happy and I like it. I did want to include some jeans in this video because I know that that's always an issue for people to find jeans that are just like really good. I'm trying to not show you pieces that I've already talked about in other videos. So there's two pairs of jeans that I love. One of them is Levi's. It's the Levi's wedgie boot cut, I believe is what it's called. It's under $100 and these are amazing. I brought these to Peru with me. You'll see them with this sweater actually, and I just love them. They're so great. They work well with my sneakers. They work well with boots. They work well with flats. They're the perfect length. I'm 5'6". Another pair of jeans that I love, and actually you guys always comment whenever these jeans are in a video, you guys are like, what jeans are those? But they're by a Favorite Daughter, and Favorite Daughter is not cheap at all, but these jeans, they fit so well. They just look so good. I don't know what to say, but I got the new wash that they have them in. It's a dark wash and they're so beautiful. I love them. These also go with like a low heel boot on me. They're very high-waisted. This is what I love about these. They're very high-waisted. Now, if you are really looking for some jeans, go check out this video. I have some jeans in there that I've been wearing on repeat that are really, really fun. And I've just already talked about them a lot, so I wasn't trying to talk about them again, but I do have a lot of jeans in that video if you did miss them, and some really cool jeans that I just freaking love for this fall. It is a gorgeous day outside, by the way, but it's cold. Like this is appropriate for me right now here in Florida. Another must-have for me, especially in the fall, especially as we get super busy, is to have someone come to help me clean up my house and my main spaces. Now, I have been using HomeGlow for the last several months to come help me clean. I actually have someone coming on Friday to help me clean my refrigerator and my baseboards and my microwave and my oven, which are so dirty right now. And it's those things that they need to be cleaned, but I just don't have time to clean them, or I don't want to use what little free time I have in the evening cleaning out my refrigerator. HomeGlow is actually an online cleaning service which connects you with local cleaners in your area. So you can go online and look at the reviews of the local cleaners in your area. You can select the date and the time and how long you want someone to come help you clean your house for. And it makes finding some help to clean your house much more accessible. Now you can just schedule someone to come clean your house whenever you need it, or you can get their best rate by signing up for their Forever Clean membership, and you can schedule to have someone come clean your house every week or every 2 weeks or every 3 weeks or once a month, just whatever works for you. Now, if you want to reclaim some of your time this fall, head to homeaglow.com/Anna Reed or scan the QR code, which I will post up here, and you can get your first 3 hours of cleaning for only $19. Have you tried any of the barrel leg pants or jeans that have come out? And everyone's like, I hate barrel leg. That's so dumb. But somebody's buying them because every brand under the sun has a pair of barrel leg jeans or pants. I've tried on a lot. I went into Bloomingdale's, I think it was Bloomingdale's or Nordstrom or something, when they first started coming out, and I tried on a bunch and I'm like, no, this is not happening. These look awful on me. But I saw some on Madewell. They're Madewell pants, and they're barrel leg pants, and I ordered them and I love them. I did get them a little bit tailored at the waist because some things just tend to gap on me if they're super high-waisted. But I love these. I just think they're so cute. They're a very casual pant. Also another thing that could probably go into like a capsule wardrobe as opposed to being like my fun trend pieces, but it is kind of a trend. It's a barrel leg pant. So I love these. They do come in other colors, and I think they do have this in a jean, but I'm good with just the pant. I love the brown pant. So it's one of those weird things that I found that I was surprised that I like so much. I have been obsessed with this beautiful, like froggy green color that has been on trend for this fall. It's like the most ugly, pretty color, the prettiest ugly color that is out there right now. I just think it looks so good. I don't know why, but I would love it. So I found a sweater in this color from Cezanne. I was actively searching out this color in a knit top, and I love it. I love the color. I love the way it looks with denim, with like dark wash denim. I just think it's so beautiful and unexpected and different. I don't really have this color in my closet, but this is definitely one of my favorite colors for this fall. I have definitely been really on the train of the burgundy trend that's happening for fall 2024. And I saw that Quince had a silk burgundy maxi, it's kind of more of a midi dress. And I decided to try it. I love it. It is bra friendly. And I don't know, I really love this dress, guys. So I wore it to a retirement party one day. And then right after that, it's just so comfortable that I ended up wearing it to this outdoor fall festival, which was super sweltering hot. They had farm animals and stuff, and I'm wearing a silk dress, but it was just that comfortable. Like, it just was one of those dresses that just felt good to wear all day long, no matter what. So I have been really loving this dress, and I know that I can easily add like a sweater or something over it, or a jacket. Really great all-around dress that's, kind of classic, doesn't really go out of style. Probably, again, more of a fall capsule wardrobe dress, but I love it. I have tried on a lot of leopard pants. It's one of those things that I just decided, I was like, I really like leopard pants this year. And I was surprised because I had not been into leopard at all since the last time it was really on trend, but I do really love it in the pants. And so I've tried several. And the one that I found that just fits me the best, I feel the best in, are these from Nordstrom. I can't remember the brand off the top of my head now, but I love these. They're super high-waisted, and they're a full-length pant. They're not cropped, and they're like a darker leopard. So I just love these. I think they're really fun and cute, and they're one of those things that whenever I do get tired of leopard or it goes, out of style or whatever, I will definitely keep these and then just wait until the next time I want to wear them again. This is an item that I actually already have in green from a couple of years ago, and I saw that they had it in burgundy, and I just really love it. I think it's cute, and I love this top with, like a high-waisted pant or a wide leg pant, something like that, and then I could put a jacket over it. It's like a cute date night top. Well, actually it's a bodysuit, so I should say it's a bodysuit, but I do go no bra with this. I use those cakes. I don't know if you've ever tried them before, but they're not sticky, but they just kind of suction to you, so there's nothing sticking out, but I do love this for fall in Florida. I wanted to find a burgundy blazer because every time I see it on someone, I just love that look. I just think it's so beautiful. I just think it's so cool looking. So I found one. This is more of a brownish burgundy. Like, how some burgundies have more of a purple hue. This feels like it has more brown undertones. It's a little bit darker, and I love it. I just think this is so cool. I've actually tried on a ton of burgundy blazers trying to find the right one, and a lot of them just didn't fit me right or something. This one, I love the way it fits. I love the texture of it. I love the color. Now, I love burgundy paired with dark wash denim or even light wash denim, but you know, this is also a beautiful color to pair with something a little dressier on the bottom too. This is one that, you know what, if we're being really honest, this could probably go into my fall essentials list, but I didn't have it at that time. So I do wear a lot of jackets here in Florida because normally it's going to be cold, freezing cold in the morning, and then it warms up in the afternoon. A jacket that I really love for just a casual look, but I think is really cute, and it definitely could be more of an essential, kind of a fall essential piece or a capsule wardrobe piece, but it's this black wool jacket from Goelia. I love the way it fits. It looks high quality. It is high quality, and I just love it for like a very casual look. So I don't really have much more to say about that than it's cute and comfortable and functional and goes with everything. But that's usually hitting a lot of the major points that I need it to hit. If you're wondering about this sweater, which I've got this new microphone that I'm trying out, and I really hope that this sounds good. Before the first one posts, I will have already recorded the other ones with this, so hopefully it sounds good. But anyway, funny story, I actually bought this for my Peru trip, and I just thought, oh, they'd be so pretty, and I know it's going to be chilly and cold, and I'm going to need layers and a sweater and stuff. But when we were in Machu Picchu, the Inca logo, basically, it's not their logo, but you know, their representation, it looks just like this. So I don't know how I knew that in the back of my head. I guess some knowledge was stuffed back there in my subconscious. Anyway, love this sweater. It's a very high quality sweater and very soft, just very well made. I think it's really pretty, it's unique, and I just love it. So that was a quick rundown of some more trendy items, even though some of them were still a little bit more basic. Some pieces that I've just really been loving this fall and been really excited to wear, and just pieces that make me want to get dressed up. Anyway, I will link everything below if you liked anything in here. I know it is kind of fun to find these pieces, but obviously, you know, always get things, and if you order things, keep things that really resonate with you and that make you feel good. Sometimes what works for me is not going to work for you, and vice versa. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to check out Home Aglow in the description box below. And if you also need to get some help cleaning your house, and I will see you next time.